What's up, guys? This is Lucas with Surf Training Factory, and today we're going to be adding this signature stomp pad, Gabriel Medina. It was designed with Gabriel, not by Gabriel. So we're going to be installing this brand new stomp pad on this performance board. Check it out. Alright guys, so we're going to remove the Gabriel Medina stomp pad out of the wrapper to get it all set up. And in the back, usually there's a little hole where you can start ripping the pad from. This is the Athlete Series, not the Essential Series, the Athlete Series. And also for you guys that don't know, there's a little piece of the stomp pad outside of the wrap that you can actually touch and see what it's going to feel like prior to buying it. Okay, go ahead and remove this out of here. It's just held in by little stickers. And then what you want to do is, if you notice this part here, okay, very important that you notice that this kind of contours around the little plug here where you hold the leash. Okay, so you can, I don't know if you can see my last stomp pad, it was a 5-piece, okay, and it contours. So I'm just gonna follow that one. Even if yours is brand new, you're just gonna take this and you're gonna place it as close to it as possible. So I'll spin it around for you to see kind of what it would look like. Okay, obviously I didn't remove the plastic from it to glue it, so it doesn't just stick like that, right? You gotta remove it here. So a couple of different things. Different people do different things. They'll rip this out. They'll rip the whole thing out and to just place it on. And some will rip a little piece, put it on, and then slowly peel it off. So I'm gonna kind of do like a half of it. So what I wanna do is I wanna get this, change it up so you guys can see here, kind of where I'm going with this. Okay, so that's what I want to get. I want to get this back as centered as possible. And that's centered for me. Okay. Then I'm going to start ripping this tape off and make sure that it's going to be, see, now it's a little bit more to the left and more to the right. So I got to move that. It'll take a little bit of time for you to figure out which way you want it, but you want to make sure it's even on the left and even on the right and so on and so forth. Meaning you don't want like half an inch here and then 3 inches on the other side. Okay? And you can just I start pushing it down as I'm removing the plastic. And it is 100% okay to remove the plastic completely and then start pulling it off. This is just the way I like to do it. I want to make sure this is the way I want it. Awesome. And I'm going to slowly start pressing it down. Boom. So I don't have like a towel. I didn't remove the fins. You can remove the fins. I don't mind having the fins on because I just lift the board and I'll just put pressure on it. Some people would just leave this as it is. Believe it or not, I actually put like books on top of it. So that's pretty much it. We'll let it sit here for a while and I'll put a little bit more pressure on it after.